Sekolah Menengah Sains Pasir Puteh or Sains Pasir Puteh Secondary School, also known as SKIV, is the only all-girls boarding secondary school in the East Coast. The school is located at Jalan Jerang Pasu, Pasir Puteh, Kelantan. Assalamualaikum and greetings to all. As we already know, Malaysia has been under a heat wave warning when the average daily maximum temperature is exceeded. The Malaysia Meteorological Department issued a heat wave warning for several states, with the highest temperature recorded on 22 April at 34.8 degrees Celsius in the central state of Negeri Sembilan. The product that we are making is a portable mini air conditioner that has been powered by solar energy and batteries. It is made with recycled and readily available items. The advantage of this product is that it is portable. The lightweight frame and small size make it easy to carry around. Moreover, it is also environmental friendly, owing to it was made with minimal energy since recycled materials are used. This product is designed to reduce the risk of students suffering from heat stroke and to solve the problem of student overheating in the classroom, as well as providing a more cost-effective and efficient replacement for existing air conditioning system. Solar energy will provide the power source to the driver board for the mist maker to work, simultaneously turning on the motor and fan. A dry cell battery will light the lamp. Our priority is the use of recycled materials in the construction of our products. All materials are high quality and affordable. Most of our products use Mr. DIY products. The manufacturing cost of our product is 37.5 ringgit.